Imagine cycling across deserts, mountains, and continents. Not in your 20s, not even in your 40s, but at the age of 66. And not just that, doing it while living with a disability. Meet Christopher Bennett, the incredible man from New Zealand who just set a Guinness World Record as the oldest person to circumnavigate the globe by bicycle and the first person with a disability ever to achieve it. Christopher's story begins with a dream that started long before his record-breaking journey. He wasn't a professional athlete. He was an ordinary man with an extraordinary goal: to show the world that age and disability don't define your limits. He faced physical challenges early in life after losing partial mobility in one leg. But instead of letting it stop him, he turned it into motivation. Cycling became his therapy, and eventually his passport to the world. In total, Chris cycled through over 20 countries, covering more than 30,000 kilometers, the equivalent of riding around the planet. From the icy winds of Canada to the sun-scorched roads of Australia and the crowded streets of India, every mile tested his endurance, patience, and courage. He battled extreme heat, freezing rain, language barriers, and even mechanical breakdowns in the middle of nowhere. But what kept him going wasn't just strength, it was purpose. Christopher's mission wasn't just personal. He wanted to inspire others with disabilities to chase their dreams, no matter how impossible they seem. Along the way, he met countless people, some who offered shelter, food, and encouragement, others who said his journey gave them hope. He shared his story with schools, communities, and cycling clubs, spreading a message of resilience and faith. In every pedal stroke, he reminded the world that courage doesn't age, and strength isn't measured by the body, but by the spirit. And finally, after years on the road, his dream became a global headline. In October 2025, Guinness World Records officially recognized Christopher Bennett as the oldest person to circumnavigate the globe by bicycle, and the first with a disability to ever do so. It wasn't just a world record, it was a human victory. Today, Chris continues to inspire millions around the world. His message is simple yet powerful. It's never too late to start, and no challenge is too big when your heart is determined. From New Zealand to the world, Christopher Bennett has proven that age is just a number, disability is just a label, and dreams have no expiry date. If you found Christopher's story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life legends who redefine what's possible.